StoryMate software is a website tool and a mobile application as well for creating and posting stories directly to Instagram and Facebook. With the help of this tool, you can easily create interesting stories and posts with attractive ready-made templates to generate more traffic on your social media profiles. Remember, it is not just posting content. StoryMate App is about creating stories. How does StoryMate works? Step 1. Select a template. You have 25 designs to choose from. Step 2. Customize your content. Choose your images, upload your own, or select from our library and edit your text. Select your background music and click render. Step 3. Post and start converting. Once you have your story ready, simply one-click sync to the StoryMate Facebook-approved Android and iPhone apps to post to your FB and Insta stories. Features of StoryMate Marketing App. It is the first ever tool designed so far for creating and posting stories online. Your websites are going to create huge traffic leads as this marketing funnel works. Here are the features of the StoryMate software. 1. StoryMate Insta Story Builder for Instagram. People are crazy about Instagram. The Instagram stories are the most important stories for any website or business owner. When you publish your Insta stories, they are viral immediately because Instagram has millions of users from across the globe. According to the survey, 10 out of every 25 people use Instagram for posting and creating their stories. The StoryMate reviews for Insta Story Builders are just amazing. From the different range of templates, one can easily create Insta stories using the StoryMate app. Not only that, the results are quite professional as they offer high-definition templates for posting content on Instagram. Using this feature, one can directly use StoryMate Instagram Story Builder for publishing their business, product or client story on Instagram. 2. StoryMate Insta Story Builder for Facebook. Do you have any idea about the users of Facebook across the world? Searching the data on the internet might not give you an accurate figure because each second a user is getting registered on Facebook. Using the StoryMate software for creating and posting stories directly on Facebook can help your business in generating quality traffic or leads. These leads can be converted into potential customers in the future. The StoryMate reviews for building Insta stories are quite popular and hence are worth using for enhancing your business traffic. 3. Forget the camera with StoryMate Tool. There are people in the world who are quite offended by clicking or uploading their pictures on the web. With the help of the StoryMate website traffic boosting tool, one can upload any content they wish by using the royalty-free content for designing high-end stories for their business or company. These StoryMate reviews are quite real and genuine. One can search over the internet or watch the StoryMate user review videos online for getting more information about their royalty-free features. 4. Creating niche content using StoryMate Insta Story Builder. The StoryMate by Luke McGuire is a popular tool for creating meaningful stories along with attractive templates. Irrespective of any business or service niche, you can easily rely on the StoryMate review for making your business stories successful. Using the StoryMate website traffic boosting app, one can create a niche for various industries such as e-commerce, affiliate offers, personal profiles, local businesses, professional websites, etc. to name a few. For any e-commerce store owner, getting the customers to their landing page matters the most. If we consider the StoryMate user review for helping an e-commerce owner to generate their traffic, it will surely worth it. By creating and posting wonderful stories on the social media page of the business brand, one can easily generate traffic for their website. This will help the customers to directly navigate to the product's page, which is an amazing feature. 5. Building an email list with StoryMate software. When you first select the StoryMate tool for your business content tool, you already move a step ahead for generating business leads through content marketing. Using the StoryMate app, you help your Facebook and Instagram followers to get connected with you via your story or theme. With the help of StoryMate Review, you can easily create a specific brand call to action by building your email list from the social media followers. Your followers are your customers, and swiping them to your product page becomes easy and quick. 6. Swipe up using the StoryMate app. The first and important thing for any business owner to get their customers on their landing page. I agree that social networking websites are the best way to get your keen clients on your business page, but after using the StoryMate software, one can easily get more users on the website on a mass scale. The StoryMate call to action feature makes it possible for your customers to simply swipe up using the button to move to the landing page of your business. The attractive story templates have an interesting call to action swipe for bringing you more customers on a mass scale. The StoryMate customer review is simply genuine and useful for those who want to have a huge traffic base on their website's landing page. 7. World's first tool for enabling Insta and Facebook template creation on the desktop. The StoryMate Tool is the first ever Insta story builder tool that helps the users to enable Insta and FB template creation from the desktop. This makes the customization more easy and quick. The StoryMate review helps in creating beautiful Insta stories for your social media sites, which can be easily synced to Instagram and Facebook. This can be done in a couple of minutes, which makes it more interesting and fun.